This is the Afghanistan the world ignores, where sapphire lakes glow like scattered pieces of sky, where snow leopards stalk untouched valleys older than war itself, where waterfalls somehow erupt from bone-dry deserts like miracles. The Taliban doesn't fight for rubble or dust. They kill for this, a secret paradise, hiding riches no army can resist. Beneath those crystal waters lies lapis lazuli, so pure it once decorated Egyptian pharaohs' tombs. Beyond those cliffs stretch opium fields that fund entire armies. And under these glaciers, the fresh water that quenches all of Asia. This isn't just land, it's nature's vault. And everyone wants the code. These lakes, so blue they hurt your eyes, are Afghanistan's crown jewels. But paradise comes with armed guards. No foreigner touches this water without Taliban approval. A secret? These cliffs bleed lapis lazuli, the stone that built empires. Cleopatra powdered it for eyeshadow. Medieval painters traded gold for its pigment. Today, one fist-sized chunk buys enough AK-47s to arm a militia. The Taliban taxes every miner, every smuggler, every gram. Because in Afghanistan, even beauty is currency, and they control the mint. This desert doesn't bloom, it bleeds. Each spring, blood-red poppies swallow the land. Their sap becomes heroin. Their harvest becomes weapons. The Taliban's rule is simple. Grow for us, pay your tax, or watch your family's future burn with your fields. Last year alone, this dead earth grew $2 billion in opium, enough to buy every bullet, every bomb, every black Toyota Hilux tearing through Kabul. Nature made this soil perfect for poison. The Taliban made it perfect for war. China and America aren't fighting over dirt and rock. They're battling for liquid gold. These towering peaks of the Wakhan corridor hold a secret more valuable than any mineral. They are Asia's water tower, where glaciers birth the mighty rivers that quench the thirst of a billion souls. The Indus, the Amu Darya, the Yangtze, all begin here as trickles of meltwater before becoming the lifeblood of nations. Control these icy headwaters, and you hold the faucet to entire civilizations downstream. China builds monitoring stations disguised as weather posts. America trained commandos here for glacier research. The Taliban patrols with antique rifles, unaware they're guarding the future's most precious resource. Because when the next great war comes, it won't be over oil or land. It will be over these frozen reservoirs, and whoever controls them controls Asia's beating heart. Afghanistan's breathtaking beauty has always been its cruelest curse. These emerald valleys flush with opium, these sapphire lakes concealing precious stones, these glacier-fed rivers that could quench a continent. They've made this land a prize for empires, warlords, and terrorists alike. The Soviets came for its minerals, the Americans for its position, the Taliban for its narcotics. Each leaves deeper scars than the last. Yet through 40 years of bloodshed, no one has truly fought for what matters most. The shepherd boy, scaling cliffs to tend his goats. The grandmother teaching children to read in secret. The farmer who just wants to harvest wheat instead of poppies. The mountains remember every footstep, every prayer, every dropped seed that somehow still grows in war-torn soil. While foreign powers tally their losses and retreat, Afghanistan's people remain, their resilience as ancient as the Hindu Kush peaks that shelter them. The world may turn away, but the land never forgets its own.